Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an elephant out of 24 pieces of magic snake puzzle. First step. Count to 1, 2, and turn it like this. This is what it should look like. Now, count 3. 1, 2, 3, and turn it like this. This is what it should look like. Now, turn this purple one away from you like this. This is what it should look like. Now turn this white one here twice, like this. This is what it should look like. Now, turn this white one like this. This is what it should look like. Now turn this purple on so that this and this can connect. This is what it should look like. Now turn this purple one twice, like this. This is what it should look like. Now turn this white one down. Here's what it should look like. Now turn this purple one like this. Now you have created the head of the elephant. Now turn this purple one down like this. This is what it should look like. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this purple one twice, like this. This is what it should look like. Now turn this white one twice, like this. Now, this is what it should look like. Now count to 1, 2, and turn this white one twice, like this. This is what it should look like. Now turn this purple one twice, like this. This is what it should look like. Now turn this purple one twice, like this. This is what it should look like. Final step. Turn this white one twice. Now you have created the body of the elephant. This is what it should look like on either side. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe, and follow my Facebook page for more videos. Bye.